And the pickleball game is furious, man. Man, I'm gonna try this honey Bergen pecan. Oh my God. You know, I guess these are people that are sponsors of the these are probably people that are just sponsors of the event. Likely that's all it is. Because you really got this.
Cool, come grab you some merchandise, take it with you.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Now, I did a preview on this place a few videos back. You guys could go take a look at that one on my channel. But when I came out here, it was more in the winter, and somebody's out here flying a drone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was not nearly as packed as it is. Of course, you know, I'm out here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. It's like 78 degrees, probably 75 degrees out here. It's an overcast, but man, it is looking like spring out here, man. Look at these people, man. But like I said, when I came here before, it was a lot less people and a lot less things to do and things to see. But we're gonna take a look at this today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, man. Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Hey, good. How about you?
Good.
Billy's, Alabama, out here selling these hot dogs, man. Man, that smells delicious. Oh my God. That's unbelievable. Huh? Tell me what you guys think, man. Drop in the comments, man. Is this your vibe? Yeah. Oh. Man, look at the ladies over there playing pickleball. Nice. Pepsi is just out here giving away free samples. I think I'm gonna go grab me a drink. I don't know, that's what it looked like. Pepsi Zero. So they're giving away free samples of Pepsi Zero, man. Man, if it's cold, I wanna. They got some beer and some Pepsi Zero they're giving samples of. Well, I guess I'm gonna try the beer. What do you think? Huh?
You like it? Good? You want to try the Pepsi Zero? Go ahead, get some beer now.
Try that one.
Light, refreshing. You want to try Pepsi?
I wanna try the beer.
I want to try beer too. So what is the beer?
It's a Belgian. It's imported from Belgium. We were the first company to actually get it. So, and you can only get it out here in the South.
Me neither. So it sounds like it's a Belgian beer that's imported.
And potato chips.
So we're gonna try it out.
We got some chip clips.
Thank you.
Pens. There we go. Some sunglasses. Want to try some beer now?
Let's smell. Let's try it.
Some Be Light.
You said this is for Belgium?
It's from Belgium. Imported. Belgian beer. Got Buffalo Rock.
Okay.
Try some beer. We're gonna try this.
Cool, come grab you some merchandise, take it with you.
It's a light beer.
Oh wow,
It's a Belgian beer.
that's pretty solid. It's light. It's not. It's kind of. It depends on what you like.
Yeah.
It depends on what you like. It's not like a Heineken. It's not heavy like a Heineken or something like that, but it's a pretty like a light beer.
It
Yeah.
really is.
Yeah, I like it. I could drink that beer.
Right there.
That is solid. What do you think? I don't know. What was the name of it?
Be light.
Be Light? Oh, okay. Be Light. Be Light beer, man. If you guys are into beer, hey, try it out.
It's not. It don't have that heavy background.
No, that's what I was
Heavy.
saying.
Yeah.
Exactly. It don't have that heaviness, do it?
No, it doesn't.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking. And the pickleball game is furious, man. So man, they literally got 6 courts of pickleball going on out here at the same time. I should have brought my mic. Yeah, that's okay. Nah, I'm gonna just turn. More pickleball out here. Let's go back the other way, Marsha. Oh, so I guess you can actually, it's an actual tournament. So the pickleball, it's a tournament. Wow.
Okay. Thank you.
A whole bunch of vendors out here. Let's cut through here. T-Mobile out here doing their thing, like usual. Hey, how you doing? So over here, it looks like it's just like a bunch of agencies. You know, I guess these are people that are sponsors of the. These are probably people that are just sponsors of the event. Likely that's all it is, because you really can't. There's really nothing for sale out here. It's just a whole bunch of folks giving out trinkets and stuff. So I think that's what it is.
Aiden.
Rain fuel. Yeah.
Exciting.
Maybe. Tell me what you guys think about Gulf Shores, man. And that seems pretty exciting, man. Oh, we're actually in Foley. You're right. We're in Foley, right outside of Gulf Shores. This is more of the, what do we call it? The suburban area. You know. Yeah. Somebody flying the drone. Pretty cool. So we're gonna go into this flea market again and check it out. Just see what's going on in here. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Oh my God, huh? Oh wow.
Should we have?
You got your beef, ground beef.
Hey, Chrissy.
Oh, from old school peanut brittle.
Huh?
Peanut brittle.
Cashew, pistachio.
Excuse me. Honey, bourbon, pecan. Man, I'm gonna try this honey burger pecan. Oh my God. That was good. Huh? Come on, let's get out here. We got some business we gotta take care of. All right, just want to give you guys a little preview. We're gonna go get this coffee from this guy. This guy out here sells some really good Nigerian coffee. Probably go get a cup of that. And then we're gonna head to our next spot. We gotta go to, and we're gonna see if we can find the peanut guy. Hopefully we can find the peanut guy. And we're gonna get some coffee. We're gonna go to Southern Cup, and then we're gonna head over to the Home Goods, see if I can find a table to replace this table. So we'll chime back in with you guys in a bit. Peace. Chiming back in, everybody. I'm here at the Tanger outlet in beautiful Foley, right outside of Gulf Shores, right outside of Orange Beach. Get ready to go in the Skechers store. I gotta get me some slides for the spring, man. And man, I remember when I used to only want to get Nike slides, man. But now I am hardcore on some Skechers, man. As you get older, the style don't matter no more. It's more about what makes you feel good and the comfort. And Skechers give me the most comfort. And Skechers ain't sponsoring this, but if you feel the same way I do, drop in the comments, man. If you like Skechers and Nikes, let me know which one. But I'm going ahead into the Skechers store here at the outlet. It's a nice overcast breeze, man. Phone blowing up. We'll chime back in with you guys in a little bit. Peace.